Hi everyone, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about one of the important model. So evaluate the integral of ax square plus bx plus c upon dx plus c into under root of fx square plus gx plus h. So these all models only for exclusively mains and advanced, but not in intermediate board. Is it clear? Therefore here the ax square plus bx plus c, ax square plus bx plus c dx upon dx plus e under root of fx square plus gx plus h. Therefore this is the quadratic expression, this is the linear, this is under root part is also quadratic expression. We know that the ax plus b upon under root of ax square plus bx plus c and ax plus b when it is the irreducible ax square plus bx plus c. At the same time integral ax plus b into under root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx and integral 1 upon ax plus b into under root of ax square plus bx plus c dx. We know that how to evaluate of these type of integrals. Now this is the px plus q. Yes, it is the px plus q upon this one. How to write this one? We know that the linear px plus q equal to a into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus b. Yes, this is also same. Similarly we can write px plus q into, after we can divide it by this one. When we are taking first px plus q equal to a into d by dx of a into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus b, then after that it is divisible by this one and applying on both sides integrals. Therefore when it is a irreducible expression, this is also we can write this one, this is also we can write this one. Already we have to know that these type of integrals already we evaluate them. Therefore this one, in this case of exclusively we can take ax plus b equal to 1 by t. In this case we have to take ax plus b equal to 1 by t. Right now what is the integral? Integral is in the form of numerator is the quadratic, numerator is the quadratic. Is it clear? The numerator is the quadratic and the denominator one of the linear and under root part is also quadratic. Now this can be written as, we can write this one, the ax square plus bx plus c. We can evaluate of this type is ax square. We have ax square plus bx plus c equals to, is it clear? A into, we can take a into d by dx of, first you can write what is the linear here, dx plus e, and the derivative of this one, is the 2fx plus g. Is it clear? 2fx plus g plus b into dx plus e plus capital C. Now we have to find the values of a, b, c. After that we can divide it by this one. The complete, what is the denominator is there, dx plus e into under root of fx square plus gx plus h. Therefore now we have to divide it this one. First of all you have to find the values of a, b, c. After that divided by this one. Then we have to get the integral separately. Okay, is it clear? Now evaluate the integral 2x square plus 5x plus 9 upon x plus 1 into under root of x square plus x plus 1. Therefore, in this case, we have to take here the 2x square plus 5x plus 9 equals to, we can write a into x plus 1 d by dx of, this is the 2x plus 1. Okay, after that the b into x plus 1. Now see, now we are looking to find the values of a, b, c. Now equating the coefficient of x square on both sides. Equating the coefficient of x square in the equation 1 on both sides. Equating the coefficient of x square on both sides in the equation 1. Now this is the 2 here. Therefore 2x into x. 2x into x is the 2x square. Now this is the 2a. Now here the value of a equals to 1. Now equating the coefficients. Now equating the coefficients of x on both sides. Equating the coefficient of x in both sides. Now then it will be 5. Equating the coefficient of x on both sides. Then it is the 5 equals to, here the x coefficient are x into 1 is the 1. This is the 2x. 1 plus 2 is the 3. Now this is the 3a. Is it okay? Now the bx, this is the b. Now here the a is getting 1. Now substituting a equals to 1, then it is the b equals to 5 minus 3. The value of b equal to 5 minus 3, then it will be 2. Therefore, the value of the b is the 2. The value of the b is the 2. Is it okay? Now we are equating the constants on both sides. Therefore, equating the constants on both sides. Therefore, equating the constants on both sides. Then it is the constant equal to 9 here. The constant is the 9. Therefore, now this is the a. In this case, the b. The last one is the c. A plus b plus c. Therefore, 9. The a is the 1. B is the 2 plus c. Now the c is the 9 minus 3 is the 6. C is the 9 minus 3 is the 6. These are the values of A, B, C. Now the A, B, C values are substitute in this. So what are the values of A? The value of A is 1. The value of B is 2. The value of C is the 6. The value of A and B and C. A1, B2, C6. A1, B2, C6. Is it okay? Now these are all values are substitute in the equation 1. Now these are all substitute in the equation 1. Therefore we are getting the 2x square plus 5x plus 9, that equals to, the value of a is the 1, then it will be x plus 1. Then it will be x plus 1 into 2x plus 1. Therefore the value of b is the 2 into x plus 1. Therefore c is the 6. The value of c is the 6. Therefore now what is the question here is given by 2x square plus 5x plus 9 upon x plus 1 under root of x square plus x plus 1. Now divided by x plus 1 into under root of x square plus x plus 1. Now 2x square plus 5x plus 9 upon, therefore x plus 1 into under root of x square plus x plus 1. Therefore applying on both sides integral also, that is the dx. Is it clear? Now we can write this is x plus 1 x plus 1 into 2x plus 1 upon the x plus 1 into root of x square plus x plus 1 integral dx plus 2 into here is given by x plus 1 into what is that, this one, x plus 1 x square plus x plus 1 into dx. Now here the 6 by x plus 1 into under root of x square plus x plus 1 whole dx. Is it clear? Now this is just, you can here this will be cancelled, x plus 1. Now this is, we have to compare with the derivative of x square is the 2x, the derivative of x is the 1. We know that f dash of x integral f dash of x under root of f of x dx. The integral f dash of x upon root of f of x dx is the 2 root of f of x, 2 root of f of x plus c. This is the formula. Integral f dash of x upon root of f of x is the 2 into root of f of x plus c. Therefore now this is, compare that one. So we are getting 2 into under root of f of x is the x square plus x plus 1. X square plus x plus 1. Now this is, how to get this one? These two are cancelled. Now this is the 2 into 1 upon under root the x square plus x plus 1 into dx. Therefore then the last one is, what is the remaining in that? The 6 into dx upon the x plus 1 under root of x square plus x plus 1. So here we are thinking the second integral, we have to, the x square plus x plus 1 can be written as either of the form of a square minus x square, or x square minus a square, or a square plus x square. The last one is also the type 6 one. Here the x plus 1 we have to take some 1 by t. X plus 1 we are taking some 1 by t. Is it clear? How to write this one? Now here the x square plus x plus 1. The x square plus x plus 1 can be written as a square. Now we are taking into 2 by 2. Therefore 2 are cancelled, x. After that here a square 2ab. The b square is the 1 by 4. We are taking plus 1 by 4 and minus 1 by 4 is there, plus 1. Therefore now how to write this one? X a square 2ab b square. A plus b, that is x plus 1 by 2 whole square. The last one is 4 1 is 4. 4 minus 1 is the 3. Now this is the root of 3 upon 2 whole square. Root of 3 by 2 whole square. Root of 3 by 2 whole square. This can be written as x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus root of 3 by 2 whole square. This is how to write this one. Here here we are getting 2 into root of x square plus x plus 1. After that 2 into 1 upon this one is the x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus root to 3 by 2 whole square and root of dx. How to write the last one? This is 1 upon x square plus a square is the sine of h inverse of x by a. We know that the 1 upon under root of x square plus a square is the sine h inverse of x by a. But this is, how to write this one? The dx upon the x plus 1 into under root of x square plus x plus 1. Therefore now we have to find here stop this. Now here we can write this is 2 into under root of x square plus x plus 1. Therefore here 2 into the sin h inverse of x by a. X by a is the here the x plus 1 by 2 upon root of 3 by 2. The last one is the 6. The 6 integral dx upon x plus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 dx. Is it okay? Now here we are right here the 2 into under root of x square plus x plus 1, 2 into sin h inverse of 2x plus 1 upon root 3. The sin h inverse of 2x plus 1 by root 3. Now here how to find the last one is, we know that the evaluate of that type integrals are, we are taking only the x plus 1 is the 1 by t. Therefore let the x plus 1 equal to 1 by t. What is the derivative of x is the dx. The derivative of x is the dx. The derivative of 1 is the minus 1 by t square. The derivative of 1 by t is the minus 1 by t square dt. At the same time we are getting in this case the x equal to 1 by t minus 1. Is it okay? This is the x equal to the plus 1 is sending other side 1 by t minus 1. Therefore the dx is, what is the dx here? Minus 1 by t square dt. That is minus 1 by t square dt. The dx is the minus of 1 by t square dt, and the x plus 1 is the 1 by t under root of the x is, what is the x? 1 by t minus 1 whole square. Again the x is the 1 by t minus 1 is there plus 1. Now here we are right here. Now we have to find only this one. 6 into integral minus 1 upon t square into dt whole by, how to write this one? 1 by t. Now this is 1 by t square. Now this is the a square minus of 2ab. Minus of 2ab is the minus 2 by t plus 1 by t. This is the minus of 1 by t. These two are cancelled plus 1. Therefore after that when we are taking the LCM is the t square. That means square and root are cancelled, then it will be t square. Therefore t square are the cancelled. Minus 6 minus of 6, that is dt by, what we are getting here? This is the t square. This is the t square. Now minus of t plus 1. Is it okay? What we are getting? dt by t square minus t plus 1. T square minus t plus 1. Then it will be, we can write t square minus t plus 1. Either it is, you can write a square minus x square, or a square plus x square, or x square minus a square. Now this is the t square into 2 by 2. After that 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 1. How to write this one? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Therefore this is the t minus 1 by 2 whole square. 4 1 4. Now this is the root of 3 by 2 whole square. Therefore, now this is, how to write this one? Minus of 6 upon, this can be written as t minus 1 by 2 whole square root of 3 by 2 whole square. Now once again we are getting again, what is the here? Minus of 6 sine h inverse of t minus 1 by 2 root of 3 by 2 plus c. This is also minus 6 sine h inverse of 2x minus 1 upon root 3 plus c. We know that what is the form of sine h inverse of x? Everybody know that in first year the sine h inverse of x is the log mod of x plus x square plus 1. If the answer is suppose in terms of logarithm, we can write the log mod of x plus root of x square plus 1. Now this is also log mod of 2x minus root 3, 2x minus 1 by root 3 into under root of 1 plus 2x minus 1 whole square by root 3. Is it okay? This is the answer. Okay? This is the final solution. Therefore, suppose the sum is there here. The logarithm of sum 2x plus 1 by 3 plus c is there, suppose. Here, but answer is given that 2x plus 1 plus c. The 3 can be neglected. Why? Therefore, log a minus log b, log a by b can be written as log a minus log b. Log of 2x plus 1, log of 2x plus 1 minus log 3. Minus log 3 plus constant, constant plus constant is a constant. Therefore, the log of 2x plus 1 plus c. Okay. So, now evaluate the integral 1 plus x into dx upon x into 1 plus x e power x. Therefore, these type of integrals we are taking here. This is 1 plus x into e power x dx. This is the x e power x upon 1 plus x e power x whole square. So, in this case we are taking into e power x by e power x. Therefore, let 1 plus x e power x, the 1 plus x e power x we are taking some t. The 1 plus x e power x we are taking t. Therefore, now this is the derivative of the 1 is 0, x into e power x into the derivative of x is the 1 whole of dx. Now this is the dt, derivative of 1 0, x into derivative of e power x into derivative of x 1. Therefore, dx is the common. Therefore, now we are taking the e power x, that is the 1 plus x into dx equal to dt. Is it clear? E power x is the common, here remaining is the x, here 1. E power x into 1 plus x dx equal to dt. Now this is, how to write this one? Integral of 1 plus x into e power x dx is the dt. The dt by x into e power x is the t minus 1. T minus 1. Now this is the t square. T minus 1 into t square. How to find this one? These are the method of the partial fractions. This is the method of the partial fractions. Therefore, a, b, c. How to write this one? Now this one can be written as 1 by t minus 1 t square is the a by 1 minus t, b by t, c by t square. So, how to write this one? A by 1 minus t, b by t, c by t square. Therefore, 1 equals to a into t into 1 minus t. Therefore, b is the, only b is here, 1 minus t. Here, a is the 1 minute here. This will be sending to other side. These two are cancelled. So here this is the, a by t minus 1. b by t, c by t square. T minus 1 cancel. A into t square. But b into t minus 1. C is the only t minus 1. So how to find the values of a, b, c? First we are taking t equal to 1. That implies 1 equal to a equal to 1. Is it clear? Put t equals to 1. That is 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. After that we are taking t equal to 0. T equal to 0, that implies 1 equal to 0, 0. When t 0, that is the minus c. That implies c equal to minus 1. Now we are find the value b. Now when you are taking the constants. So when t equal to 0, we are getting the c value minus 1. Now we are equating the coefficient of t square. Now this is the coefficient of t square is here a. Here the coefficient of t square is the b. Here the left hand side is 0. Therefore b equal to minus of a. The value of a is the 1. That is the minus of 1. So how to write this one? Integral of a is the 1. A is the 1, that is 1 by t minus 1. But what is the b is the minus 1. Minus 1 by t. Therefore what is the c is also minus 1. Minus 1 by t square upon dt. So now this is a is the 1 by t minus 1, b is the 1 by t, c by 1 by t square. Now we know that this is the formula of log mod of t minus 1. This is the log mod of t. So we can take the separate integrals. The integral 1 upon t minus 1 minus of 1 by t dt, the minus of 1 upon t square dt. What is this one? Log mod of t minus 1. The log mod of t minus 1. This is the log mod of t. This is the log mod of t. Integral 1 by t square is the minus of 1 by t. Minus of 1 by t plus c. Therefore log a minus log b. We know that the formula of log a minus log b is the log of t minus 1 upon t minus 1 by t plus c. What is the t is here? X. What is the t here? 1 plus x e power x. Here the 1 are cancelled. The log mod of x e power x 1 plus x e power x minus 1 upon 1 plus x e power x plus c. This is the solution.